Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson, cooking. Fill in the blanks. After humans discovered fire accidentally, they started dash their food. Cooking their food. Dash is the substance we burn to make a fire to cook food. Fuel. Humans eat dash as well as Humans eat dash as well as cooked food. Uncooked as well as cooked food. We cook our food to make it easy to dash. Digest. Vessels or dash are made of different materials. Vessels or utensils. Choose the correct answer. Which of these foods can we eat raw? Meat, rice, fruit, spinach. Fruit. Cooked food is easy to store, easy to digest, both A and B, neither A nor B. Easy to digest. Charcoal is burnt stone, burnt coal, burnt wood, burnt grains. Burnt wood. The fuel required in an open chula is LPG, kerosene, electricity, wood. Wood. The utensils required to make chapati is a griddle, cup, bowl, pan. Match the rows. Rice, wheat, meat. Are cooked before eating. Fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw. Wood, charcoal, LPG are all fuels. Glass, clay are used to make kitchen utensils. Growing children need nutritious food. Write true or false. Initially, early humans knew how to cook food. False. We can have both cooked as well as uncooked food. True. Even today, wood is used as a fuel. True. We do not need different kinds of utensils to cook different kinds of food? False. The food requirements of a child and an adult are the same. False. Answer the following questions. Name 4 kinds of fuels used for cooking. The 4 kinds of fuels used for cooking are kerosene, LPG, wood and charcoal. Okay, kerosene, LPG, wood and charcoal. What kind of food did early humans eat and why? They ate uncooked food because they don't know how to cook. What materials can utensils be made of? Utensils made of different materials. The most popular are aluminum, iron and steel. However, utensils are also made of other materials like clay, copper and glass. How are eating practices different in different regions? Name any 3 oils used for cooking in different parts of our country. People of different regions have different eating habits. In North India, people eat more wheat than rice. In South India and Eastern India, people mostly eat rice. In areas near oceans, seafood is popular. In Western India, millets and gram flour are used more than in other areas. So 3 cooking oils are mustard oil, coconut oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil or ghee. How is the food requirement of a child different from that of an adult? So the requirement of food in child is different from an adult. Children are constantly growing and need a lot of nutrients rather than adults. It is important for them to develop strong bones and muscles during the period of growth. Understood? So, for this we finished our 9th lesson cooking. Tomorrow we will see 10th lesson shelters and homes. Thank you.